phones these days, we're also used to those severe weather alerts. We've all had that experience of being in a room where everyone's phone lights up at the same time with an alert about the weather. The difference here is that this is FEMA applying that same technology on a nationwide level, testing the ability to communicate to the entire country at the same time. And that's why it's called this presidential alert. And I think because we're in this upside down period of politics with a lot of people fearful of President Trump, concerned he might abuse his power, there's been a lot of speculation in recent days that he would try to use this new technology in ways that are inappropriate. However, there's no indication of that. In fact, there's no indication that he even really knows about this test that's coming up next Thursday. But it is an interesting moment in time to see the government testing out this new technology. I think we can show you what the text will look like on Thursday that'll be pushed to everyone's phone. It will be labeled Presidential Alert, which is partly why this is so curious. It'll say, hey, this is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. So that's the message that'll be pushed out on Thursday. It's the result of a law that was passed by Congress back in the Obama years in 2016 in order to bring the U.S. government up to speed so that, it's not just an alert on TV, not just an alert on the radio. Now there will be alerts on your phones in the event of a national emergency, a major terrorist attack, or a major national disaster.
So I